Robot technology refers to the design, development, and use of robots. Robots are machines that can be programmed to carry out a variety of tasks, ranging from simple repetitive actions to complex operations. They are used in a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, and even space exploration. Robots typically have three main components: a control system, actuators, and sensors. The control system is responsible for receiving and processing information, making decisions, and issuing commands. Actuators are used to carry out physical actions, such as moving arms and legs or manipulating objects. Sensors are used to gather information about the robot's environment and to provide feedback to the control system. Advances in computer technology, including the development of artificial intelligence and machine learning, have made it possible for robots to perform increasingly complex tasks and interact with humans in new ways. However, as with any new technology, there are also concerns about the ethical and social implications of the widespread use of robots, particularly in areas such as employment and privacy. Service robots. Robots are being used in various service industries such as retail, hospitality, and education. For example, customer service robots are being used in retail stores to assist customers, while educational robots are being used in classrooms to help teachers and students.